Hi there, this is Mr. Ayres from Bishop Fox's School, Head of Science. Just a quick tutorial for Year 7 and Year 8 students on how to log into your Kerboodle account and use it to support your science lessons. So, once you have typed in Kerboodle into a search engine, it should bring up a page that looks something along the lines of this. Your username and password should be the same as your username in school. So, for example, if my name was Rosie Franklin, I would type my username exactly the same, where it's Franklin Rose. That is my school username. I'm going to type in the same down here, 15 Franklin Rose. That is the same. That is not my school password, it's my school username I've put in twice. The institution code is the same for every student in the school, and that is WVX1. At this point, there's a Sims point and a small prize if you come and find me and tell me why Rosie Franklin is an important name for science. Short Rosie for Rosalind. Okay, I'm then going to press login. I'm actually going to go to my staff login, but that looks exactly the same as what you can see in front of you now. I'll log in, and further down here we've got some options. We've got AQA Activate. This is the one you need. When you move into year 9 and 10 and 11, you'll use the AQA GCSE Sciences 9 to 1. You should be able to access that anyway, but we are going to go into the AQA Activate. I click that button. I've then got lots of options here. The main one that you'll probably use is Digital Book. So then I'm going to click Digital Book, and it presents me with two options. Activate Book 1, Activate Book 2. Book 1 is Year 7, Book 2 is Year 8. So if I was to click into the Year 7 book, this would then be exactly the same book that you use in class. So let's have a quick look through from the start. Here are the contents. As you know, you start on the Earth module. Many of you are getting to the end of that assessment at the moment if you're watching this in October. And as you move through the course, you're going to study each of the physics, chemistry, and then biology units. So for example, the Earth unit, the one you've started with, I might want to look at the solar system topic in a bit more detail. That is page 150. At the bottom you can type in page 150 and it will take you to the information that matches what you're studying in class. You can then skip through various other pages and have a look at some of the content for topics coming up, or go back and revise some of the key areas that you were feeling a little bit unsure of. In addition, there are questions in here. You can also highlight various bits and pieces, add sticky sort of post-it notes, or sticky notes they call them, and you can do that at the bottom using the annotation tools tab. So here's the sticky note. You can highlight, you can use your pen just to write, and obviously you can rub any of those bits and pieces out. That saves to your own account. So if I was to produce a sticky note here, and I draw it the size that I would like, I might need to write a key point saying come back and revise this section. That will stay there until I choose otherwise for my account. You could highlight some of the key points, and it might be certain paragraphs, or might just be certain keywords that you feel you need to look at, and that might come from your teacher in class. Very quick tour of Kerboodle. There's plenty more on there to do other than using the textbook, which we'll start training you through across the year, but just an initial tutorial how to access a digital book to support your learning in science in years 7 and 8. Thanks for watching.